Hello everyone, Bridget Fitzpatrick here with CBT News. I'm in the PureCars booth with Aaron Sheeks, CEO of PureCars. Thank you so much for joining us.
It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Longtime friend of CBT News. Thank you for being here with us today. We're all here safe and sound after the storm, so all is good.
All is good. It's a busy week. It's an eventful logistical week for both dealers and vendors and everyone involved.
Absolutely.
But happy to be here. We never take it for granted. We started this today with, you never take for granted having the logo up in the sky, getting an opportunity to tell people our story. We're just grateful to be here and be around the folks that make this business worth it.
That's what it's all about.
That's
right?
it. Yeah.
So you've got some exciting things to talk about. Big announcement heading into NADA with RylieAI. Can you talk to us about that?
Look, I think it's exciting. We're building the first automotive digital employee. So there's a lot of talk, and even big places like NVIDIA talking about what's the future of AI. We think it could be, employee-based or persona-based, or what does that mean? And we've been working for the last couple of years to build the first automotive employee, digital employee that can come in, increase revenue, decrease expenses, change the way we communicate with our customers on the best automotive data set that exists today. We're pretty excited to show it off. I'm excited to take the big stage.
And you should be excited. There's a lot of AI. It's a huge topic of conversation here at NADA today. What sets your AI apart from others similar to yours? You said you were the first, but...
Well, I think you'll see a lot of great AI companies at the show. There's several around us. You can walk around the booth. We'll see several AI companies that I think will be really good. The difference between ours is that we've been working for years and spent millions of dollars building the data that AI is powered by. And you can have great AI, but it's only as good as what it consumes. And if it consumes the best data, and here at PureCars, we're a data company now that happens to be really good at advertising. So now I'm powering that AI with the best automotive data, and I don't have to go to a non-automotive company to get it. There's a lot of smart people in our business. We don't have to bring someone from an outside world into automotive. We have a lot of brilliant minds. We can solve these problems ourselves. We're doing it today at PureCars.
Great point. Now, big challenges that RylieAI is helping dealers with. Talk about those challenges that it's helping them with.
I think in today's world, we know interest rates are up, average car price is up, we got to manage floor plan costs. So I have to be able to increase revenue on the same level of expense, or I have to be able to decrease expenses to generate that revenue. At the end of the day, I'm an operator. And I want to build tools that allow me to create more revenue, or my customers to create more revenue while decreasing expenses. So I think if we can reduce man hours that take on lead follow-up, on processing, that I can get text message conversations so you can sell a car while also working 3 car deals via the AI in the background, we're reducing human being costs to the dealer, we're giving better quality of service to our end customer, and I'm allowing car salesmen, what I believe is the lifeblood of the car business, is the distributor, are able to make more money inside of the same time window. We're giving them more time in the day to work more deals. That's the whole goal here, is to better customer service, connect all the pieces with our OEM friends, deliver best-in-class artificial intelligence to our operators.
Very nice. Now, can you talk to us about some of the feedback or some of the impact that you're hearing from dealers so far?
I think right now we're still trying to figure out what's real and what's not real. And there's a lot of great salespeople in our business. There's a lot of great companies in our business, but we know that in order to make really big change, we have to be connected to the OEM world. We have to understand offers and incentives and rebates, how customers buy payments, not always cars. Brands are targeting different based on how we acquire revenue in our car dealerships. So I think right now we're trying to figure out how do we solve most of the problems inside of that tech stack. So if it's, you might need 6 companies to solve that today. My goal is to get 6 companies into one company. We'll call that all PureCars, and RylieAI gets to live and breathe off of all of that ecosystem.
Nice, so exciting. Now talk to us about the inspiration. Where did that come from?
I'm an operator at the end of the day, right? So like all good operators, and I'm a founder type. So when you stand the wall up in your garage and you start building the tool yourself, and operating capital is a real life thing, when you build it yourself, you really start to look at how do I make the operator on the other side of the desk know that I understand his problems, know that I can solve them, but I can also do it inside his budget as his business either booms or glooms, depending on who we are and how successful we're being at that store. I can still be a really great partner because I'm an operator and I understand operator problems.
Definitely. Now you and PureCars, you've always been just an innovator. Your commitment to innovation has been tremendous. So talk to us about how RylieAI fits into that.
The leading edge of technology is where I would like to live. I like to build fun things and solve big problems. And for as long as PureCars is going to be around and I'm the one solving hard problems, that's who we're going to be. I think we know that it's like I live in the future. I joke all the time and I say, I live in the future. I'm building things for the future version of what we need. That's a lot of fun for me. So I think as long as we get to still get out in front, have access to great technology, dealers are still really receptive to solving problems that way. The leading edge of technology is where I would like to put my spot.
Love it, and you're doing that.
I think so. We're trying. We're trying, right? We're certainly trying.
Well, thank you so much, Aaron. Anything else you want to add? You want to talk about dealers? Come see them at the booth number 4265.
4265. Come see us, PureCars.com. We're on all the social media, all the places. I'm certainly not hard to find, you could say.
No,
we're in the pitch competition.
Oh, exciting.
PureCars picked in the top 10 of 500 whatever applicants. We're in the top 10.
That's great.
So I'm going to go take the big stage here.
Congratulations.
Yeah, who
That's
knows?
exciting.
Maybe we win this thing.
Yes,
right?
you
So
will.
I'm excited to put a really good, we have a really great team. And my job is to make sure that I put what I leave on the field is good enough to represent their effort, their work, their commitment to the business. We're going to have a good show.
Yes, and you're right. I work with several people on your team, and they're all fabulous.
Lovely. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.